As an ate, sharing the gift of wellness means a lot to me. So I give this Swiss Proli Christmas bundle to my brother Rich and sister-in-law Grace. As pastors, they really need to recharge. And of course, do a little self-care. After a long day of hard work kasi, syempre iba pa din kapag may support system tayo. Ay, sweet naman no. Kilig moments lang with Swiss Proli ha. Picture naman tayo dyan no. Smile! With this one, since mahilig kayo mag-travel, you bring these two gummies. For Swiss Proli Lean Quick Gummies, it has apple cider vinegar. Tinutulungan nito ang ating digestion and also support a healthy gut environment. It also aid in balancing blood sugar levels and boosting metabolism. Kaya naman nakakapayat siya. Then it has pectin, which can help slow digestion that support our gut health. It also promotes satiety, meaning increase the feeling of being full o hindi ka agad nagugutom. May folic acid din siya. Tinutulungan ang katawan to fight fatigue. Dagdag mo pa dito ang vitamin C ha at vitamin B12. Kaya niya din suportahan ang ating fatty liver and also support heart health. Yung Swiss Proli Night Gummies naman, which is the purple one, help you get faster sleep, help reduce stress, at talaga naman nakakakalma. It also has magnesium for muscle relaxant. O saan ka pa? Dito lang sa Swiss Proli Gummies. Ang gummies na just right for you and me. Happy holiday everyone! Basta mahal mo, mag-care ka.